Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We have been talking about the travels of Zulqarnain, in which we learn that Zulqarnain traveled to places where no one has traveled before him or after him. One such travel of Zulqarnain through the portal to the far away land. It is reported by Imam Abd ibn Humayd and Ibn al-Munzir rahimahumullah. And it is also reported by Imam al-Suyuti in Durr al-Manthur under the tafsir of Surah Al-Kahf. And this is reported by Ikrama rahimahullah, who is a famous tabi'i, means the student of companions. The story talks about Zulqarnain traveling to a land other than the land we call Earth. As we know in Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that just like there are 7 heavens, there are 7 earths. وَالْأَرْضُ مِثْلَهُنْ. So Zulqarnain traveled to the 7th earth, and that's where he ran across a mountain that he never saw before. When he approached that mountain, an angel called and said, Ya Zulqarnain, O son of a sinner, what are you doing here? You have reached a point where nobody has ever come before you or will come after you. Zulqarnain asked, Tell me, where am I? Angel said, You are on the 7th earth. Zulqarnain said, What will release me? Angel said, Believe. Zulqarnain said, O Allah, grant me belief. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala granted him belief. An angel said, Zulqarnain, soon you will reach a nation that you will enclose them in an enclosure that they will not be able to come out of it. When you are done with your task, never assume that it was your might that helped you construct this barrier. Rather, it was Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who made you the reason to save some of His creations. But a time will come when that barrier will be destroyed. Zulqarnain asked the angel, What is this mountain? I have never seen the like of it. Angel said, This mountain is called the Mount of Qaaf. It is green in color and the sky is white. However, sky reflects the color of the mountain, so it appears to you green. This mountain is the core of all the mountains, and whatever they are created from it. And then an angel grabbed a bunch of grapes and then plucked a single grape out of it and handed it over to Zulqarnain and said, Eat from it, it will be sufficient for you. And Zulqarnain ate just a single grape, and that filled him up. And he noticed the place from where angel plucked that grape out from the bunch, another grape created in its place. Then Zulqarnain left the angel and traveled to the place where he constructed the barrier which prevented Ya'juj and Ma'juj from entering the land and creating the mess. Ikrama rahimahullah said, The nations to whom Zulqarnain was sent were Mansik, Nasik, Tawil, and Rahil. And Abu Sa'id says that there were 15 of such nations or ummas towards whom Zulqarnain was sent. Inshallah, we'll talk more about the stories and the travels of Zulqarnain. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.